Hi everyone, it's me Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. So dear friends, in this moment I would like to say something about in this video. Okay, so let's get start this video. So dear friends, now I am going to in our paddy field because paddy field I will see in our paddy field because before 1 week ago I saw in our paddy field and today I'm going to in our paddy field. Okay, so before 1 week ago I saw in our paddy field. At that time in our paddy field quality is so good, and today I'm going to in our paddy field because I will see in our paddy field. Okay, so dear friends, in our behind side this our village, and this village behind side in our paddy field, and now I'm walking on the field. You can see there is a on big hill, and all around side look like very green and very beautiful scenery. So you can see on school and primary school. So this school situated, actually it's a village. This village name Suapata. So you can see this is very amazing scenery. Okay, so dear friends, nowadays I cannot making video for learning English and practicing video because I already mentioned that our one video I explain my mobile purpose, because our mobile phone already display damage. So I already mentioned that in our mobile very nowadays very weak, so that's why I cannot making video for learning English and practicing video. Okay, so dear friends, actually now I already I have come in our paddy field. So you can see this is our paddy field. So this is our paddy field, look like very amazing. So you can see, and this is the paddy leaves, paddy plants leaves, and this barrier all around side put up this barrier because when I put this barrier at that time, so very bad quality in our paddy field, and now this paddy field so very good. This barrier actually cows and goats and another type of animals like eating crops like paddy plants. So that's why we use this barrier. Okay, so dear friends, as we can see, actually now evening time my free every day. I free for evening time, and evening time I also making video, and every day I making video. I am making video for every day because evening time I am totally free. and I spend time, evening time, with my one nephew and childrens. I also spend time for with childrens, like another type of game like cricket, kabaddi, and so that's it. Okay, so dear friends, actually, uh, English is a important things for everyone. So thank you. Bye bye.